So we're gonna look like a throw it off for a second with these bangs, okay? But once we add all of the icing to our face, it's gonna look snazzy, okay? Just trust me. I actually do think these bangs are really cute. They are from Insert Name Here, and I actually have a code with Insert Name Here. You can use my code ROSE for a discount. And like I said, I haven't even fixed them. So just give me a second and let's do our makeup. All right, we're starting with 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬 shade number 2. I have to part my bangs right now. They fall in my eyes. It's gonna be cute, I promise. I know y'all are doubting me right now. I feel your doubt. Warm up the 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬 on the back of your hand. I'm kind of just spreading it out so it warms up faster. And then we'll just start to apply this with a dry blender. I only use a dry blender when I'm applying my eye base because I don't want to add any more moisture to this base. It's already really wet. I have so much respect for people that actually do have bangs. How do you get things done? Like, I wouldn't know where to put them, what to do with them, what is even happening, who I am. I need to know, and I salute you. So I am going to be using the Dear Santa palette again. And if you're thinking, why are you using that again? Because when I first started this and I would try to watch people, they would do one look with that palette, just one, and then they would toss it aside. And then I'd be like, well, I need some. All right, we're gonna hop right into this shade. And I'm using a Sigma E25. And we're just gonna tap this into our crease. I really wanna keep the eyeshadow, this one, in my socket. So I just picked up a little bit more, and we're just going to continue to tap this. Okay, so I just decided I want to do a halo eye. So all I'm going to do is just take a wet wipe and just pop it right down through here. Super easy. Until I get a little bit of this cleaned up. Perfect. And then whatever's left on that blender, whatever we wiped away, look, we just pop it right back and it even cleans it up. Mind blowing. Okay, let me grab my other brush. I grabbed a Sigma E54 back into that same exact shade, and we're just going to bring this all the way down here. And all the way down here. Now I'm going to wipe off the same brush that we just used, and I'm going to use a dry paper towel, which apparently it's only this tiny little space here. We don't want our brush to get wet because we don't want our eyeshadows to get wet. So just wipe it off on a dry towel or paper towel. Same brush. I feel like this is going to be my brush for right now. I'm going to go into this shade. It's called Santa's Helper. And we're just going to tap this one right above. If you just heard me tap my brush, it's because I'm just tapping off any excess. That way when we go to put this on, it's not going to overwhelm and bring it all the way up to my eyebrow. So I'll just tap in and tap any excess eyeshadow off. So blend that right into that dark color. Woo, that blend. Okay, now we're gonna grab this brush. This is a Smith 256, and we're gonna go into Reindeer Dreams, which is probably my favorite color from the palette, honestly. And we're just gonna tap this right above the other colors. And the biggest tip ever, we're gonna go into Cali Christmas. Start on my brow bone with my big fluffy brush here from Smith. And just kind of bring it all across the top until it looks more. All right, we're gonna grab the 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬 base that's on the back of my hand and a Dose of Colors concealer brush. And we're just gonna pop a little extra of the base on just to make sure that our shimmer we're gonna put here is extra poppin'. Let's bring it all the way up. And there we go. All right, so we're gonna use Santa's Workshop, and I always use my finger first because it can just deposit everything so much more even. And we're just gonna bring this color all the way up. Look at how stunning. Woo, that is gorgeous. MAC 228 brush now, same shade from the palette, Santa's Workshop. We're just going to kind of just perfect this, bring it all the way up. Look how gorgeous that is. Now we're going to grab the same Sigma E54 brush, that shader brush, and we're going to go back into this shade. And we're just going to, notice how I'm kind of tapping on the side of the brush? We'll tap that into the dark brown and over into the gold just a little bit. So this has a transition shade as well. See the difference? So pretty. We're gonna do this Haus Labs eyeliner. I actually love this one. There we go. We'll just fill it in and perfect over here in a mirror and not my phone. I'm actually pretty far away from my phone too. I'm just zoomed in. I found an 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬 Lash Full Mascara last night, a brand new one. I don't want you to think I found this under my couch or something. It's brand new in the box, and I forgot how much I love this mascara, and my discount code actually works on this mascara too. So code ROSE for a discount. This is such a black mascara. It's wild. All right, we're gonna prime our face. This is the Kylie Cosmetics Illuminating Primer. Packaging is so pretty, matches my nails. Okay, and I have just been loving this one. This is my third time using it now, and it just feels really nice on my skin, and it really just illuminates without making your skin feel greasy. And makeup just really clings to it. Big fan. All right, so we're gonna take these two ColourPop Cream Gel Liners. This is in the shade Get Paid. It's a really pretty rosy gold bronze, and we're just gonna pop this right in the center of our waterline. You see that? Look at the pigmentation on that. Woo! Okay, so this one right through here. Then we'll grab the black shade in Swerve, the other ColourPop Cream Gel Liner, and we'll pop this on the outer part of our waterline here and then on the middle. Look at that. Wow. Do y'all hear that noise? That is Christmas ribbon going on my tree. Okay, we're doing our Smith & Colt foundation. I am loving this foundation at the moment. It is just working out so wonderfully for me. And I'm loving this brush. This is the Anissa Beauty Pinnacle foundation brush, and I really think you guys should put it on your wish list for the holidays, or just go buy it for yourself right now, because it is, honestly, look at that. It helps with application so much, and it just works it in. I'm obsessed with these two together. Look, we're gonna try out this big, huge sponge from Hank and Henry Beauty. Look at the pretty owl on it. It's enormous. It's so big. I love it. I'm afraid of it. Let's try it. Here we go. I'm just gonna grab whatever is left on my hand of my foundation. It's very soft and it's very square, and we're just gonna work it in. It definitely covers. It's like, oh, you want a large part of your body covered? This is it. There is a little bit smaller one, but I feel like it would be small even if it was wet. But I don't know. I'm kind of vibing. I like the way it feels. All right, we're going to use the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Concealer. I'm in the shade Medium 83C. And I've just been using it by itself, just the one concealer, and I'm really liking it. And you can use my code ROSE for a discount on this one as well. We were just listening to Dean Martin sing Let It Snow, and obviously we all know it says the weather outside is frightful, and it's about 82 here and completely sunny. And I told Mom, you need to be careful when you go outside. And for some reason, we have been dying laughing for like ever. I know it's simple, but it was so funny if you could only see how pretty of a day it is. All right, I'm going to take my Anissa concealer brush. This is the angled concealer. And I'm just going to tap this in with this brush first. I'm not going to worry about going too far up under my eye because we're going to smoke that out pretty wildly here in a second. It's going to get pretty spicy. But for right now, I'm just going to work this in the sides of my nose. And I'm just going to bring it down. And then work in the rest of the concealer as well. We're still testing out the sponge. I'm going to work in the rest with the sponge. I'm going to try this side. I haven't even used this side yet. That fits in there pretty nice. I feel like this one does pick up a little bit more of the product than I would like for it to pick up. I do notice that whenever I'm blending and I go to look back, most of the product is gone. But that doesn't mean it's a bad thing. I'm grabbing my Kylie Soft Pink Powder. What's new? I'm sorry, it's the best. And I'm just going to work this in right underneath my eyes and on the sides of my nose. And I'm not going to set the rest of my face yet. I'm just going to set underneath my eyes and through the sides of my nose. All right, I'm grabbing my 𝗕𝗘𝗧𝗬 contour wand that leaked, but I left it open, so it's my fault. I brought this on myself. Still works amazing. And this is an hourglass brush, and honestly, you don't have to have this one because it's kind of expensive. Just a synthetic kabuki brush will be best. And then look at that. Oh. Woo! The one thing I'm liking about the sponge, I grabbed a little bit smaller one, is I like how square it is. And I'm just grabbing some translucent powder, and I'm just going to pop it right underneath here. And since it's square, it's such a nice clean line. So A+ on that. I do have a discount code if you guys want to pick up the sponge. I really like it for baking, and the code is just ROSE. Okay, we're going to mimic exactly what we have going on in the crease. We're going to start with this shade, and we're just going to keep that really close to our lash line on the outer parts. Grab that same shade again and bring it in over here. Okay, we're going to go into this shade and bring that right underneath the darkest shade. Just kind of blend it out down here. Doug is mad about something and we don't know what it is. Doug, can you be more specific? How were you wronged? And then whatever base is left on our concealer brush, I'm just going to pop it right underneath here. Just a touch. Just a little hair. Back into Santa's Helper, which is our lid color, and we're just going to bring it down through here. Putting the same color on the waterline makes such a difference in a halo eye. My phone doesn't even know who I am with these bangs on. It's like, that ain't Rose. That's what my phone just said. Now, you guys have been asking me about the Kylie brushes from the holiday collection, and I really do love them. Now, obviously, they're not going to be what my $50 a tiny brush is, but for how much they are, the quality is amazing. And I'm actually loving it as a blush brush with this. I love them. I think they're amazing. Okay, so we're just going to use this. This is the highlighter blush duo from the holiday collection. This is one of my favorite things from the entire collection. I am obsessed with the blush. Look at that. It's just so universal and so beautiful and so buildable. So I'm just going to tap this on with the brush from the collection. And then a little across here and a little across there. I'm going to go ahead and pop on the highlighter. This is a MAC 240S. And I just love how subtle the highlighter is. It's so pretty. And then I kind of just go around the edges with my finger. Not the center, just the edges to melt it in. So whenever I do a red lip, or any lip for that matter, I always wipe off any excess foundation or concealer. You don't want that much on your lips. Your lipstick won't go on evenly and you could have dead skin. Just wipe it all off. There. Then I'll take my blender. Whatever's left on here, I'll just go right over my lips. You just want a little bit, just a touch, just to cancel out any redness or pink undertones. Especially if you're doing a nude lip. But this kind of just gives your lipstick something to cling to. So whenever I do a red lip, I actually just go right in with the lipstick. We're going to use Keep the Receipt today. Oh my god, so pretty. This is from the mini lip collection, from the new Kylie collection, the holiday. And I'll just do like a rough outline, and then I'm going to grab the lip liner. This is the one, it's called Naughty List from the lip kit, and then I'll just kind of push it around. Look at that. You already see the definition. And you're just kind of blending and perfecting. All right, let's top it off with our Kylie Illuminating Setting Spray. I love the way it smells. And then we're fancy with our fan. All right, guys, all done. I'm gonna go get my finishing touches. You already know. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I have to go run a few errands, go to Home Depot, go to the post office, and go to Starbucks. I do. Okay, I love you. See y'all tomorrow. All right, guys, my bangs are from insert name here. Jordan and Sharon are actually the founders, and they're such dear friends of mine, even though I don't get to see them as much. But definitely go support them. They are amazing business women. We need to support them, and you can use my code ROSE for a discount on them as well.